Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's Wednesday. We're live. We're doing it. Ooh, buddy. Here's our music. Right now, looking at the 15-minute chart, we got the overnight high up here, 20,190. We got yesterday's high. All right, we got yesterday's high up there, 20,200 area. And we got the lows, obviously. Overnight low. So right now we're in the middle. We're in the middle of the overnight range, basically. We got the gap down. We closed yesterday here at the 20,168. Currently sitting right there at the 147s off the VWAP right now. So looking at the 15-minute chart, getting ready for the market open here. It is Wild Wednesdays. You can see there on the hourly chart finding some support. This is kind of where we took off, or I guess we bounced yesterday. We got back up to this 20,070 area and then ripped all the way up there to the 20,200. So that right now is kind of what we're seeing on the hourly chart. Let's see what happens at market open today. We got some news. I think we got some home sale news coming out at 10 o'clock. And then what else? Got anything else coming out? Anything fun? Anything fun? A little bit of a possible like breakout here above that 150 area there at open. We'll see. We got that gap that closed from yesterday, and then the overnight high up there. So if we can't break out here, obviously VWAP down there to the downside there at the 120s. Get a dip before the rip, a rip before the dip. VWAP just so close right now. The upper trend line hit. Elvis Torres, first time here. Where the fuck have you been, Elvis? What has Elvis been doing? Elvis has left the building. I'm gonna be watching to see if we get above that 150 area here at open. We got a little less than 4 minutes until market opens. Bow, 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 bow. Up or down at open. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, you know what to do. Got a poll in the chat. Right now, the market already pushing up there to the 150 area. I would have liked to have seen a pullback into the open and then the rip through the 50s. Let's see if we can get that. Let's see if we get that little fake out to the downside and then the pop straight back up. Got a little less than 2 minutes here till market opens. Right now, the NASDAQ is in the middle of the overnight range. We need some action. We need some action today. I feel like it's been a few days now. Just I don't know. There's been action. It's just something about the action just hasn't been the best. We'll find out here if we get a new opportunity. Right now, the poll 65% up. 35% down. Will the chat be right? Will the chat be right today? We'll find out here. We're getting closer and closer. Market open, baby. Getting closer and closer. Got less than a minute now. Less than a minute. Who's excited? Who's excited? You know I am. Yeah. Yeah. 18 seconds. Looking for this 150 break here at open. See what happens if we get that push through the 150s and go straight up there to fill that gap from the close yesterday up there to the 170 area. Let's see. Going into open. 3, 2, 1. Quick rip up there above the 50s already. Trying to push up there to the gap fill potential. And there you go, right to the gap now. Right up there. Breaking out of the 150s now, up there to that 166 level, right below that close from yesterday. After that, we got the overnight high up there at the 190s. Still going. She's still going, boys. Up there to the 175s now. Up there to fill the gap currently. Will we get the push up there to the overnight high next 190 area? The bulls trying to get a little bull flag going right here at yesterday's close. So we filled the gap right now and see if the bulls have enough strength to get this pushed up there towards that 190s next. The bulls. Some guy in the chat said it's about to tank, so I guess you know what's going to happen next. I guess we're going to go straight up here. Nice work, FPO Cheney. FPTOT Cheney. Nice work. You crushed it there on that call. Beautiful call out. Beautiful call out, baby. All right. Still going. So everything played out exactly like we rehearsed or we talked about before the market even opened here. This idea of breaking out through the 150s up there to the 190s. You know, I already made some money on it. We already in the green. You gotta love it. Right now up 5,000 on the day. What a move. So now we've taken out the overnight high. We've already taken out the overnight high. That next move would be up there through the 20,200s to yesterday's high. She's a runner. She's a track star. It's pretty funny. If you look at the 5-minute chart here, look at the 5-minute chart, that breakout, we saw that all just playing out there beautifully, huh? When did you get in? Once you broke above the 150s, right? Did everybody heard me? I think it's still going, by the way. You can see my entries there, getting long above the 150s, selling into this push, getting long there again on this little pullback here, selling into that push, and a little scalp there at the top. So still going. Go back to bed after that. Go back to bed after that one. Scott Price. Scott Price said he doubled down once he saw someone in the chat telling people to get long. Like always, just sitting back, being patient. That was a very, very easy move here at open. So, If you're in the green right now, reward yourself. Be patient. Someone said, would I get short right here? Probably not. Why would I get short right here yet? Just be patient. If it pulls back, let it pull back, whatever. Austin Lee's waiting for the 15-minute opening range. Nothing wrong with that. Will the bulls come back in here again? Get it back above that 20,200 area again? Maybe. Looking at the 1 minute chart, got a little bull flag going here. We're pulling back. If we get above this 192 area, see if we have the strength to get up there through the 210s next. The ES up there above yesterday's close. The NASDAQ pulling back here. Getting closer to that yesterday's close. Have you ever surfed Jaws? I've never surfed Jaws. Oh Lord, it's pulling back. We're gonna make a head and shoulders here now. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, pulling back here. VWAP coming up. VWAP going to the 2 minute chart now. Looking at the 2 minute chart here. James Riley, you're gonna surf Jaws? Are you a big wave surfer? A big wave surfer? Pulling back to VWAP here. Both the ES and NASDAQ pulling back into the VWAP for now. Being patient. If we lose this 150 area, it's not too good for the bulls. But if we were going to bounce, this is where we pretty much would want to bounce at if you're a bull here. So like I said, that's where the bulls would want to bounce it at, right there. Look at that rip right now. Oh my, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Come on. LOL. I bought that little bounce there for a little pushback up, and then it goes up another 20, 30 points. LOL. Making easy money today, baby. That's the way we like it. Right here, right now. Like that easy money. Bulls pushing it back up there off that 150 area. Like we said, that 150 area for the Bulls right now, trying to push up here through that 190s next. Showing a lot of strength here. Take out that overnight high, right? Overnight high up there at the 210s or so. Dungdu said the cloud is green. The cloud is green. Looking for a breakout through this 90 area there next. With the idea of pushing up there through the overnight high, right? Overnight high up there, 210 area. There's that push through the 190s. It's got to get through that 200, 2200 next. 20,200 would be the... Dungdu said now the red cloud is forming. Earlier the cloud was green, now the cloud is red. God damn it, Dungdu. She's trying to push through here. Got news coming up here at 10 o'clock as well. There's this break through the 200s now. Like I said, right there through the 90s now, up there through the 200s. Don't tell me I didn't tell you so. All right? Do not tell me I did not tell you so. Got news coming out here in 10 minutes. 10 minutes till the news. That's right. I like seeing people in the chat talking about being patient. Love to see it. The chat's getting better and better by the day. Just getting, honestly, being patient as a trader is probably one of the biggest hurdles for most new traders, is just knowing when to hold them and when to fold them, right? Sitting back, waiting, opportunities. Wait for the market to give you a setup where you're like, oh my God, this setup looks so good, I've got to just get in, right? You get to a point where you see the market and you're like, oh my, you look at it, you're like, oh God, it looks so good. Got so much stuff like going on right now on this chart. I don't know why there's so many. We got so much stuff going on because there's so much like resistance right here at this level, 190, 200. So, or 20,210 up there. This news coming out soon. Patrick taught me patient. Yes, patience. Hey, if you want to get paid, you got to be patient. Right now, we got 8 minutes until the 10 o'clock news comes out. So just kind of sitting back here, watching, waiting. Double top forming right now, but see if I put in a higher low here. Just a lot of stuff going on right here. This 150 up into here. It's tight. It's very tight right now, this price action. Patrick, can you show me Hawaii later? Hello, I'm from Hawaii. Well, I'm in Hawaii. Hello, nice to see you. NASDAQ still just holding up here for now. They get through this high up here, well then you, after that double top, that breakout, you know that's got a lot of room to the upside. We got a pivot point all the way up there at the 270s, by the way. 270 pivot point to the upside there. I'm trying to push up to take out that high right now. Oh, Lord. Yesterday's high up there, 214 to get through next. So like we said, kind of again through that 90 area here, back up into this high. We got these numbers coming out soon, 5 minutes. VWAP down there at the 146 is. Just waiting for these numbers to come out now. There's that push through the high of day now. Let's go. Or not the high of day, but the push through the overnight high right now. Congratulations if you took that long from the 90s again. The longs keep getting paid. I see the shorts in the chat keep talking about getting short. What are y'all doing over there? Stop it. Stop talking about getting short, you numbnuts. We're putting in higher lows, higher lows. Come on now. This is not fucking day trading 101. I don't know why people love to try to fight the trend. Why would you try to fight the trend? Don't do it. If the market wants to go up, let it go up, boys. Every day, there's always got to be somebody in the chat who says, "Oh my God, it's going down. It's gonna sell down. It's always like someone's got to be that guy. Someone's always got to be that guy. I'll tell you what. I thought I was that guy at one point. Back in the day when I first started trading, I thought that I knew exactly when the top was and I knew exactly when the bottom was. And trust me, I did not know. I had no idea what I was doing. Patrick, what's the one thing you would tell yourself, your old self? I would tell myself to not try to pick the top or pick the bottom. Just trade the fucking trend, man. Trade the action. Don't try to be a hero. Nobody cares if you pick the top or you pick the bottom if you get stopped out. You know, it don't matter. Oh, but Patrick, I said it was. I said the top was at 216, but I got stopped out. Oh, like, hey, make money. Make money. Shut up. Welcome to day trading, baby. 2 minutes till the news comes out here. We haven't had like a good trending day in a while, so we're due for a good trend day. Here comes the news now. Less than a minute till the news comes out. Market right now pushing up here. Market pushing up into the news right now. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. And still going higher. Who's shorting? Why? Why? People in the chat right now are funny. They're funny people in the chat, man. Got some funny people in the chat. We got some resistance coming up here, 250 back there in August. After that, if you look at the hourly chart, there's a pivot point up there, 310s, 20,000 310s. This is pretty funny, actually. Rips got long. Rips is long right now from the 44s. LOL. It's kind of funny. How the fuck did you get long at 44? 44? 44? 44? You got long at the, he got high. He literally got long at the fucking high of day. Bro, I don't even know how he did that. How did he do that? Like, how is that even possible, man? And now he's long again up here. Oh my God, this guy, undefeated. Oh my God. Now he's long here again at 34s. I hope it pops straight up for him. I do hope it goes up. But I don't know. I'm not sure I would get long right here, to be honest. 12 contracts. Oh, man. Long at the 44s earlier. That was, phew. Some good stuff right there, boys. That's some good stuff. It's nice to be able to watch other people buy the top and then ask myself, like, Patrick, good thing you didn't buy the top because you're smart, Patrick. Good job, Patrick. Give me a round of applause. You know, give me a round of applause, everybody. Right now, NASDAQ up here at the 230s, holding on for dear life. Rips is long, 15 contracts at the 35s. Let's go. Fuck it. Fuck it, bro. Let's go. I wouldn't go. I would maybe get long here if Rips wasn't long, but I can't. And now he got stopped out. Blew up his account live on YouTube. Ouch. Good thing it was only a combine anyway. This guy still trading combines live on YouTube. You gotta love it. #1 day trader on YouTube, supposedly. Still trading combines. Why? Why is that? I don't know. Confused. He just turned his stream off. Now it's gonna rip up. Now the market's gonna rip higher. Oh God. Oh Lord. Watch. Now it's gonna go straight up. Oh God. Now that he got stopped out and turned off his live stream. Don't worry though. Later on today, I'm sure he'll be up like $50,000. Don't worry. I'm sure later on today he'll be up at least $50,000. So I'm not even worried about it. I'm fully confident in his ability to make back all of the profits off stream and more. So don't you worry about that. Can't make the money while on stream, but I guarantee he'll make it all back when he's off the stream. And for anybody that's wondering why I'm trolling right now, it's because I'm rich, bitch. On the day right now, you can see here, $1,500 times 5. I'm bad at math. How much is that? How much is that? $7,500. All right, all right. All right, all right. There's my P&L. Not the biggest profits ever, but just locking it in, baby. Look at it, still going higher. I told you it would go up now that he got stopped out. Fuck, man. Poor guy. It's terrible to see. I don't wish it upon anybody. I do not wish it. I wouldn't wish people getting stopped out or blowing up their accounts. I wouldn't wish that upon anybody, even my worst enemy. You know? You only trade combines. I don't trade combines. Those are funded accounts. Before you comment on something, make sure you have any fucking clue what you're talking about, people. You know? Don't comment on something where you got no fucking clue what you're talking about. If you got no fucking clue what you're talking about, don't you even dare talk. There's the NASDAQ. I told you it was going to go up. I told you it was going to go up. Hulk keeps asking, can you go short now? Yes, get short now, Hulk. Here, it's time. The market has only gone up all morning. It is time to get short. Come on, bro. Bro's been asking about getting short since the market open. Literally, since market open, he's been talking about getting short. The fuck? Bro, once you see it, you never unsee it. We had another little 1 minute inversion on this setup right here. So that little box right there. We got the pullback in here to the VWAP. I wanted to show you guys this, and then this push back up. So the big thing about this is you got this big kind of sell-off candle, this dump candle. We dump back down here, and then once we flip the middle of this kind of untouched area, so that from that 77 down into this area, once we kind of get back through that, you know, the idea of basically getting back through that turns into a very bullish setup, because obviously, as you see, well, it broke out beautifully. Dungdu said there is a very strong green cloud. Very strong green cloud here. Dungdu. Yo, is this an ICT trading group? Yes. We're all ICT followers. Dude, the power of the circle. The power of 3. Oy. PW, what's a good daily profit for a 50K account with take profit? I mean, you know, what's a good daily loss limit, I guess, is your big question. Right? Ask yourself, how much money do you normally lose? Figure that out and then figure out your profit target. Market pushing up here, pivot point of that 270 area. The ES is still kind of lagging. NASDAQ's pushing right now. NVIDIA just going to the moon. Look at that. NVIDIA gapped up here, pushing up here still. So NVIDIA right now up 3% on the day, bringing the whole market up with it. So holding up there. Everybody wants to party. I don't know. You think Nvidia's got more upside to come? Looks a little troublesome here. The Hulk is short. Oh Lord. Might be time to go all in long. When's the next long entry? I don't really like the longs up here. It's not really like a clean bull flag right now, even though it's going higher. It's kind of like, if we do break down here, it's a good chance that we could go all the way back down into there. You know, I'm thinking like, all I'm ever thinking about is if I use my brain here, right? If I use my brain, how does the market move? Think about it. How does the market move? The market moves in waves, right? So the market's constantly moving in waves. And if you look, we got 1, 2, 3 is this pullback wave from there. I don't know. Maybe it does push up here to the pivot, but I just don't like the downside potential here, right? Where's the downside on this? I mean, maybe all the way back into that 200 level, right? So that's what you got to ask yourself before you enter a trade. Just simply ask yourself, where is the downside on this? What is the chance that we pull back, and where would that high or lower high be? You know, where would be the next point that the market would pull back here? It's just like, yes. And by no means am I going to sit here and tell you that it can't go higher. I'm just saying right now, I wouldn't want to be adding to my long. I wouldn't want to be getting long right here if I've already had my longs down here. If I was still holding a contract, yeah, maybe I'd still be holding that up there to that pivot point. Hulk is getting short up here at the 260s. The chat never fails, man. The shorts today, like I just don't know why anyone would be shorting today. He's feeling it. About to feel his account being blown up. Just a little recap for everybody that's new to the stream. If you're new right now and you don't know about the 15-minute opening range, well, now you're about to know about it. This is all in the course. We got the 15-minute opening range there above that 20,200 level, now up about 60 points to the upside, up there to that pivot point. So baby, look at that. The VWAP down there, we talked about this idea. If you want to rewind the stream after it's over, go back and watch it. We talked about this idea that the pullback here into this VWAP, this is a area to be buying, not to be selling. Buyers want to buy low, sellers want to sell high. So a great little move there. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with the trades today, to be honest. You know, the longer that I do this, the more that I get to a point where, you know, at the end of the day, I look at my P&L and I'm like, you know, did I show up to work today? Did I go to work? Did I make the money? Yes. Could I have made more money? Always. But at the same time, I could have also held longer, got stopped out, you know, vice versa. So just kind of recapping, what did we do? We showed up, we identified the highs, the lows, we looked for our setup, we had the momentum, and everything played out, and now we're up $7,000. So I can't complain. You know, it's 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock in the morning here in Hawaii. I can go back to sleep right now, and I would sleep good knowing that I didn't get long at 244 and then get stopped out. You know? Honestly, and by the way, people in the chat, people always think that like I'm a huge hater of ICT. I don't think that the actual concepts that they're bad, because I think a lot of them are just repackaged. You know, I think they're just repackaged concepts, and they're, you know, yeah. I think that fair value gaps make sense. Yes, it makes sense, right? It just, the market kind of inefficiencies and imbalances areas. You know, the highs, the lows, that all makes sense to me. It's the fact that I just don't believe anything that ICT says because he's so full of shit. So you just trade on live and don't tell us when to get in. I'm not going to even respond to that. I'll respond to that in a very professional way. All right, let's just recap here. Let's just go back and recap this today. Like I said, at open, if we get above the 150 area, looking to target the push up through the close from the previous day. We had the overnight high, right? We had the overnight high. This was all laid out before the market opened. 190s was the overnight high. Then we had the previous day high. So if you got long from the 150s, like we said before the market even opened, we talked about the 150 break happening before the market even opened. All right, so if you took a long there, look, it goes up there, 205, over 50 points. Let's talk about it again. Talked about the 190 area. Let's get through the 190s for a push up through the highs. So from the 190s, now up 80 points. I legitimately have said at least three very, very profitable trades a day. Live on YouTube. So, you know, hey, whatever. I'm an idiot, clearly. Alchemist with another green day. I need to go to Rip's house. I need to go to Las Vegas and hang out at Rip's and press the button for him for a few days. Help the guy out. Getting long at 244. I don't even know. I mean, how did he even do that? The high on that candle right there was 244.75. Oh my God. Oh my God. How did he even, I don't even know how he did that. How is that even possible? How have you ever traded the ES? Oh yeah, guys, I've done everything. I've traded, you know what I mean? Like, there ain't nothing I ain't done in this market. I've done everything. I've traded the ES. I've traded the NASDAQ. I've never traded the Dow. Actually, but I know about it. All right, so for now, we got a pivot point there, 270 pivot point, trying to kind of hold us down. What do we do next? You know, what's the next play here? I think the next play is just kind of being patient. Got that 1050. See what happens here at like 1050. 1050 to 11. Get some better action there. Yes, sir. Is it okay to get short now? I mean, maybe. I don't know. I don't know if it's a short yet. The market's still putting in higher lows. Let the market put in some lower highs first, you know? Relax, people. Everybody asking about getting short is just asking about getting short because they missed out on the long, you know? It's like don't make this hard on yourself. Make it easy on yourself, you know? Make it easy, not hard. I like it easy, not hard. Life is already too hard. Don't make trading hard. I like that. It's a good that's a bumper sticker right there. Put that on your minivan. Life is hard. Trade. Life is already hard. Start trading. Make your life even more hard. God, what a terrible idea that was. I should have been a fucking... I don't know what I should have done, but I should not have been a day trader. That would have been a terrible idea. That was a terrible idea, Patrick. What were you thinking? I could have been anything, man. I could have been anything. Anything in the entire world, but no, I decided to be a day trader. It did not work out so well. Hardest way to make easy money. That is the truth right there. For real, you regret being a day trader? No, I'm just kidding. I love being a day trader. It's so awesome. Best job ever. Best job ever. Even when you're wrong, you're right, you know? It's the best job ever. NASDAQ just holding here. Maybe some more pullback. Some more pullback here. I kind of like it above this 260 area, though. Do you look for a certain direction based on the time of day? Nope. I look at the chart. That's all we can do is look at the chart here. Pulling back here, 230s again. The best part about trading this strategy in general is just now all we're doing is waiting for another flag setup, right? Wait for something else to look bullish, get another push up. This is all talked about in the course, by the way. If you want to check out the course, it's free. Well, it's not free. It's $200, but it's free to check it out. You know what I mean? Hey. $200 make you holla. Both the NASDAQ and the ES pulling back here again. Game time. Looks like a little trappy trap here. Ooh. Little trappy trap. It's lagging. Stay calm. Don't get scared. Market's trying to push up here, that 260 area to get through, and then that pivot point up there. Will today be the trend day we've been waiting for? We haven't had a good trend day in a while. Now just chopping around here at the 240s. Chopping here at the 240s for now. Market accelerating here. The Hulk is short. Yeah, buddy, from the highs. Love to see it. We love to see it. Adam Lloyd, Patrick, do you try to get subs or do you just focus on live streaming? What should I do differently to try to get more subs? Adam P, am I doing it wrong? Should I tell everybody that I'm the #1 day trader on YouTube and I coded the algorithm and I got kidnapped by a market maker one time? Would that help me get more subscribers? I created the algorithm, everybody. Please subscribe now. Subscribe. I got vertigo, man. Hey everybody, my name's Patrick. I wrote the algorithm that makes the market go up and down. I know exactly what's going to happen at all times. Just want to let you all know that. I actually, sometimes what I like to do is, you know, I'm so good that one of my favorite things to do is whenever I'm like, you know, live on YouTube, what I like to do, what most people can't do, you know, a lot of people just would never be able to do this, is I actually plan my losers, right? So what I like to do is whenever, you know, whenever I have a loser, I basically tell people that I planned it because, you know, I promised a losing trade, and just like the winners, I can plan them too. And then my followers believe me and they say, I knew you took an L intentionally. I took that same trade using the same logic you taught me. LOL. Yes. How insane are people? People are really insane. There's some insane people out there. This might be the best comment on Twitter ever though. This guy said pretty sure that he could make more than 394% in maybe 12 hours. It's genuinely different when you have studied ICT for 6 years and understand what he might be saying. Like, I just wonder sometimes. I'm like, am I a fucking moron? Like, am I dumb? Like, I think I might be dumb. Right? Like, Patrick, I might be a moron because I'm doing something, I'm doing it wrong. I am an actual moron. Like, why would I not just tell all my subscribers that when I lose, the reason that I lost, because I planned it. I planned to lose, guys. When I blew up my account, I was planning that. I said, I was like, guys, you know, I'm going to blow up my account. Get ready. I'm planning it for you. I want you to all see me blow up my account. Get ready. Would you guys believe me? Like, I don't think my chat would believe me. Like, I think I'm like, damn, my chat's too mean. Right? Like, my chat just is not gullible enough. I got to get my chat. I got to work on getting a more gullible chat. Hey, chat, you guys you're way too smart. I need you all to be dumber. All right? Please be dumber so I can tell you stupid shit and you'll believe me. Please, chat, help me. NASDAQ back down there. Pull it back into that 15-minute range. The opening 15-minute range right now, and then kind of pushing right back up here again. The ES bounced off the VWAP over there. I'm telling you, man, I gotta get better at YouTubing. I would have 1 million subscribers if I could just convince people that when I lose, I do it on purpose. Right? If I could just convince everybody on YouTube that the reason that I lose is because I do it on purpose. I must figure this out. You know, how do I get this? I got to get to that level. I am looking for gullible idiots. Are there any gullible idiots in the chat that want to be my members of my cult? Anybody? You want to join the Patrick Wieland cult? Come on. It's going to be good. I'm going to teach you exactly how to lose. I need everyone to come live with me in Hawaii and take care of me all day, like one of those, I'm going to be a monk. Nah, Logan, the market makers only target my stops. They don't target ICT stops. We can all wear little outfits, you know, little like we can get some cool outfits to wear together. That'd be fun, right? Wouldn't that be fun? We could all like get little matching outfits, and we could wear them together, you know, and trade and stuff. We could like just like do stuff, you know, like just sit around talking about like how the market makers might try to kidnap me at any moment. Everywhere we go, you guys have to be my security. I need you guys everywhere we go. You have to be watching out. I need full security at all times. You don't understand the importance of not losing your guru because the market makers, all right? Please take care of me. Hey, PW, what area of Florida do you live in? Fort Lauderdale area, a little north of Miami. All right, NASDAQ trying to push back up here, holding up for now. Someone said, is this a bear flag? I just don't like this wick candle here off that 220 area. We're still above the 15-minute range. I don't know. It's just not like an easy short here, you know? It's not easy. It looks like it wants to go up more than it wants to go down, so. Right? Like, so now it's like trying to go up. Like Kamala Harris, you know, what has been will be unburdened by what has been. You know, when you really think about it, what has been, and what will be will also be. That is time when you think about it. Time is, it's a very interesting thing, right? So time is, it's time. Like if you look at your phone, it says 4:38 on your phone. That's what time it is. See, it's 4:38 in the morning. But if you think about it, yesterday I was also here at 4:38. So the time is what we need. We need more time. If we just had more time, then everything would be unburdened. Time. All right, NASDAQ, just chop around here at the 240s. But they're eating the dog. They might be eating the dogs in Springfield. I don't give a fuck. I don't care what anyone says. They might be eating the dogs. You know, nobody can confirm that no one's eating the dogs. You know, can you confirm that there ain't nobody eating the dogs? Nobody can confirm that. Nobody. But what I can confirm is that Kamala Harris is an absolute fucking moron. That right there is confirmed. Now, we cannot confirm 100% that nobody is eating the dogs. All right? I mean, just think about that. You know, just think about that. You know, you can say whatever you want, but at the end of the day, nobody can confirm that there hasn't been a dog eaten. There was a woman that was eating a cat. I got that video. That wasn't in Springfield, though. There was another place they were eating the cats. So maybe they like the cats more than the dogs. I don't know. NASDAQ's just kind of holding on right here, man. This is that moment in time where you're like sitting here like, do I get long? Do I get short? And then all of a sudden the market makes a big move. We're getting closer and closer to this, to the 1050 algorithm. 1050. 1050, everybody. Put your hands up. Market's just stuck there. Boneless spare ribs. Oh, Lord. Do cats not have bones in their ribs? Right now, we're looking at the 2-minute chart. Nah, man. Cats don't have ribs. The 5-minute chart just kind of holding up there. We pulled back there into that 220 level for now, but this push back up has been short-lived. That 240 area holding us down for now. What's next? People eating human beings? Bro, that's already been done. Have you not been to Hawaii? Cannibalism. It's already been done thousands of years ago. People have already eaten humans. What are you talking about? That's in the history books. It can't be done again. It's already been done. The first Hawaiians were cannibals. They'd be eating the other Hawaiians, man. They got hungry. Patrick, do you trade with a Mac computer? I have a Mac computer here in Hawaii, but not at home. At home, I have a PC gaming computer. Here in Hawaii, I have an Apple computer. NASDAQ just stuck here, pulling back now. Looks like a little bit of there's that breakdown through the 240s now. Ba 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 ba. Helk said, get short now. 20,200. I'm telling you. Okay, I'm all in short. It's going up, Helk. What do I do? What setup are you looking for right now? I'm looking for a flag setup, a bullish setup here. I'm not gonna get bearish until we, really look bearish here. As of right now, we're still holding above the 15-minute opening range. If we got down here, we got below the 15-minute range, like back into the middle of that 15-minute range, we lost the VWAP, and then we start moving down, then I might be looking for, something down here. But for now, don't go chasing waterfalls. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Listen to the rhythm in the place that you used to. Know what I mean? True story. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Listen to the rhythm in the place that you used to. Patrick, you're missing the hurricane. No, I'm not missing it. I'm seeing it. Live from Hawaii. Helk, short now. You go short now. Will you shut up? God, you think I'm gonna listen to somebody named Helk? What are you, 15 years old? 13, 12? Helk. Helk, tell me what to do. Helk is short now. How short? 5.3, 5.4? I mean, it's not that I don't disagree. It's not that I don't agree that it, you know, looks like it's gonna move down here, but at the same time, it's just trying to avoid it. I'm trying to avoid this like this undecisive area. You know? I don't like the probability here. And I know now if it drops to the 20,200, I'll never hear the fucking end of it. Patrick, I told you. Patrick, I told you. Patrick, did you not read the chat? Patrick, I was in the chat. Patrick, I was there. I told you in the chat. I said, Patrick, make sure you get short. You didn't see the chat, Patrick? Literally. Patrick, what is wrong with you? I told you. My name is Helk. I told you in the chat. Sometimes the best trades are the ones that you don't trake. Like Drake, but trake. Don't take. Helk. Again, like I said, it's not that I don't believe that the market could pull back. It's not that I don't believe that the market could, you know, dip down here. It's not, has nothing to do with me believing or not, or being bullish or bearish. It's just that the fact of I just don't like the setup right here. That's all. That's all it comes down to. Welcome to day trading, you know? Sometimes you like this setup, sometimes you don't, and I'm totally fine with that. It doesn't make you a bad trader if you don't take a trade. You know? It really, like, people think that, oh, if you don't take the short, you're a bad trader. Wow, Patrick, why would you not take the short? You're so bad. Why would you? Oh my God, Patrick, what are you doing? You know? And look, straight back up there. Look at that. Literally straight back up now. Helk. What happened? Where did he go? Now what do I do? Do I go long now, Helk? Do we go long now? Helk. Helk, helk. This is kind of funny. It's like a funny thing. Like, helk, 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 helk. That's why I didn't want to get long down there. Because this exact thing happening right here. But yes, I'm the idiot on the internet. Bounced right off that 15-minute range now. And chopping around here. Choppy cloud. Choppy. What's a choppy cloud look like? Is it like a mixture of green and red? A little bit of green, a little bit of red. Chop chop cloud. Kind of just stuck here for now on that 5-minute chart. I'd like to see kind of a breakout through that like 240 area. Maybe we get something going here. Would be kind of the idea. ES, the NASDAQ, trying to push up here, but just stuck for now. Whenever the smaller time frames, you know, the 2-minute chart, whenever the 2-minute chart starts looking kind of like indecisive, good idea to go to the bigger time frames. Look at that bigger time frame. Try to find, you know, a good level on the bigger time frames. They're like, okay, if we break through this level, then I can be looking for opportunities. But right now, we kind of pulled back here into that 200 area, and we'll see if we can get this kind of breakout here on the 5-minute chart to the upside, and then through that pivot point. We got another pivot point up there at the 374s. So anything's possible here. We get through that 240 area. We should try to take out that high of day next up there to the 270s or so. Getting real tight here. Getting real tight. We'll get through that 240 area there next. Just stuck there at our little yellow trend line for now. Put a yellow trend line on the chart. It holds us down. Hold us down, Junior. Got a T-bill auction up in 30 minutes. Ooh, T-bills. Party with the T-bill party. It's like is that like Lipton T-bills? The market makers know my trend line. Dude, I'm telling you. Who would have thought that there's a guy out there just putting trend lines on the chart, stopping the market from going up and down. You gotta love it. I mean, I think through the 240s, it's going to be good. Maybe. I don't know. Might be wrong. Am I in a trade? Currently, I'm not in a trade. I'm waiting to see if we get above this 240 level here. 15-minute chart looks good. Every time frame just looks good here. Every time frame looking good. Real good. $30 minutes, not looking too good. Just opened. $15-minute chart just needs to kind of hold up this 220 level. Hold the 220s. The high of that previous 15-minute candle is 38. So we get through the 38s. I think we got plenty of room to get up there towards the 270s. If you're already long, where should your stop be? I would say pretty much the low there. You don't want it below 200. ATR is 288. Where are we at right now in terms of points? How many more points is that? What's the range? What are we up right now in terms of how many points on the day? Oh, we're only up 55 points. We got plenty of time. We got plenty of range left. All right, 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock here, right? 6 plus 5, yeah, 11 o'clock. Marlon Johnson is short 1 MNQ. Hey, don't get too crazy. Marlon Johnson, whatever you do, don't get too crazy over there, Mr. 1 MNQ short. Mr. Marlin, don't get too crazy over there now. We don't be crashing the whole market with that one fucking short. That one M&Q short right now. Don't you do it, you silly Billy. Market's just holding up here. I'm gonna try this long. Trying to fix my screen. I'm long. I'm long. I'm long, looking for a push up here. Oh God, right there, the 240s again, denied. See, as soon as I show my fucking screen, it pulls back. I swear the market, it's rigged. If this thing pulls back, it's rigged. I'm never gonna trade live ever again. How is that even possible? The minute that I pull the screen up, it pulls back. I was a little early to our entry there, but I think we're all right. $240 got a break. Oh, no way. How is that possible right now? Lord, oh Lord. I'm gonna move my stop right here, the 218. Are you? Come on, Patrick. It's rigged, this fucking market. The market makers are fucking watching me. I planned this, guys. Don't worry. I wanted you all to see what happens when you lose. So this was all part of it. I planned on doing exactly, this is all planned. I wanted you guys to see exactly what happens. What happens. This is it. It's happening right now, everybody. Watch out. No, this is not Rip's top ticking. This is much better. This is, at least I'm not buying at the exact fucking top of the move. This is gonna go. It's just now it's gonna chop around and be stupid. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Now it's gonna pull back, stop me out for sure. It's gonna pull back and stop me out for sure. Oh God. If I get stopped out, I'm gonna turn off my live stream and I'm gonna go back to bed. I'm gonna go right back to bed. Come on, baby. Just get back in the green. Just get back in the green, please. 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 Oh, come on. This market is absolutely just stuck here. Should have been more patient. Should have been more patient. Needed a little bit more push. Needed a little bit more push up here. Needed this kind of, I didn't get that high. That candle was 39.75. I jumped in too early. That's why I'm having to hold through this right now. Just needed to be more patient for that entry. It happens, you know. Can you take me? God damn it. We were so close to going higher. So fucking close. Again. Why? If we don't go through the 40s, like right here, right now, I'm getting out. All right, we went through the 40s. I like it. I'm gonna sell some right here just to take some profit off. I just don't like that. I don't like that little hold down. I don't like holding through that, but there it goes. Beautiful. Up there through the 40s, 45s now. I got my stop at break even. We can't lose, obviously, at this point, but we want to see if we can get this momentum all the way through that 55 area. I would love to see 270s here. So Helk, are you still short? Helk, should I still get short here? Or what should I do? Helk. Everybody in the chat lost faith for a minute, didn't you? You guys in the chat were all like, wow, he really sucks. Patrick's the worst. Patrick's terrible. Y'all were, I saw you. I saw people in the chat turn in on me so quickly. Everybody's so quick to turn, you know? 1 minute y'all love me. Next minute I take one trade. I'm in drawdown for a minute and everyone's all butthurt and everyone tells me that I suck. And then now that we're back in the green, everyone's like, oh, you're the best. Oh, you're the best. What happened? What happened, everybody? Where'd y'all go? Where'd all the haters go now? Oh, God, now that I'm talking shit, it's going to stop me out. All right, we got stopped out break even there. I'm fine with that. I don't give a fuck. Well, good thing we got stopped out for break even. We took a small profit there at the 41s and then all out there at the final there at 35. So not bad. Still on the day, we're up over $7,500 right here on the #1 day trading live stream. Who else is doing it like this? Nobody. That's right. Nobody's doing it like this. NASDAQ just chopping right back down here. How old are you, bro? Pretty old, man. Patrick, Only prop firms is advertising the market. My fund and futures wrong. Well, just use my code PW for every prop firm out there. Get the best deals always. Always. Looks like Top Step TV, no trades so far today. All right. After yesterday's $47,000 loser, they're probably a little gun shy. I'd be a little gun shy too, you know. Losing $47,000 live on YouTube, I might be a little gun shy the next day. Literally, they'll make $500 today and be like, guys, look at that risk management. Would you just look at the risk management that we took? We made $500 today. That's risk management. That's my favorite when Michael Attack, he's like, man, the risk management. We're just, we're so good at risk management. We lost 47,000, but if you think about it, our maximum daily loss limit is 50,000. We were $3,000 away from our max daily loss limit. That right there just shows you that we have maximum amount of ability to manage our positions. It was amazing, literally. 15-minute chart, indecisive. Just can't get this move out of there, out of that 240 range. So we'll see what happens if we get back down there. Maybe if someone said back to the VWAP. That VWAP's down there at the 20,185s. Maybe we need another trap. A trap. Huh. Yeah. The Dow right now, the Dow has been selling off all morning long. All-time highs on the Dow. So the Dow pulling back right now. Looks like it's Dow is pulling the NASDAQ and the ES down with it here. It's funny that what's honestly, like, I'm not even trying to be a hater. I'm really not. Like, we're just talking, right? We're just talking about like trading psychology. I think it's a good lesson to look at, you know, some of the other people in the space. If you think about it, you got other live streamers who have not even placed one trade so far today, right? Not even placed one trade so far. And it's funny because we've had really, you know, I would say at least two really, really good setups here for a move up. So it's just funny how on a day like today, they don't take a trade. And then on other days where it's like really bad action, that's when they take $47,000 worth of trades. So, you know, I think it's just kind of funny when you think about that. Like, what is that about? I think, you know, something to be said about trading, about humans, right? We're funny like that. People are funny like that. People will sit there and see good setups and not take them, but then on a bad day they'll put 40 contracts on and then blow up, no problem. We all have a different view of the market. I mean, do we though? We all really don't have a different view of the market. We all see the market the same exact way. The candles are on the chart. The highs are there. The lows are there. I mean, a bull flag on my chart looks the same as a bull flag on your chart. It just depends on how we interpret that information. But really, though, think about it. We all see the chart the same exact way. You are not a real trader. Yes, I'm not a real trader. Thank you for acknowledging that. I'm fake. I got no idea what I'm doing. Please don't watch. Turn away now. Go. Run, run, run. Ah! All right, NASDAQ once again pushing up here. NASDAQ, NASDAQ, NASDAQ. I always love when some no-name anonymous person on YouTube tells me that I'm not a trader. I always love that. It's always great to hear that, you know. I'm like, oh, thank you. That must mean I'm actually good because you're here and you're watching me live on YouTube and I'm not watching you and I have no idea who the fuck you are. I have no fucking idea who you are, but here you are watching me. So clearly I am the worst. NASDAQ just holding up here, chopping around. Tanya Trade said I'm cocky. Well, you know, she looks like Taylor Swift, so you know, hey, whatever. Go tell her she looks like Taylor Swift. That's funny. I'm funny. I'm a funny person. I make myself laugh. You know, if you can't make yourself laugh, who can you make laugh, you know? Who can you make laugh that, you know? When you think about it. Somebody went on her stream and typed in, Patrick thinks you look like Taylor Swift. Dude, what's funny is I see the people that watch my live stream and then I see them in the chat at Tanya's. What are you guys doing? Are you cheating on me? Are you guys cheating on me? Yo, what the fuck's happening? What the fuck's happening, man? Why y'all cheating on me? God. Are we still in a bull flag? I mean, I think so. Right? I mean, this is still just kind of like holding on here. I guess there's a T-bill auction at 11:30, they were saying. I think tomorrow Powell's speaking as well, supposedly. I saw that. There's a 5-year note auction, but that's not until 12. I don't see the T-bill. Anybody else see the T-bill auction at 11:30? Is that real? Is it happening? It shows tomorrow 11:30 there's a bill auction, but it doesn't show today. Tomorrow we've got Wieland speaking. We got Barr speaking. And then yeah, FOMC member Kashkari. So we got a lot of speakers tomorrow. What are we waiting for on the chart? Well, if I'm looking to get bullish, I'd be looking for a move out of this flag, right? But other than that, not really waiting on anything. If you guys have not checked out the course yet, I don't want to keep tooting my own horn here, but let's just talk about it really quickly. The course itself breaks down everything from A to Z, my strategy, my entries, the 15-minute opening range, all that good stuff. We talk about kind of going through, talking about different ideas psychologically, what you should be doing, managing your risks, managing the trades, you know, take profits, your stop losses, all that stuff. We go through it all, baby. It's all there, right? It's real. Look at that beautiful man. The testimonials here. Following your 2-hour course and live trading session, I have passed another 3 evaluations. MD Goldsmith. We got Gabe. He bought the course. Super solid. Highly recommend it. You know, I can sit here all day long and toot my own horn and tell you how I'm amazing. But for $200, I don't know. It's $200, people. I think that's a pretty good investment. Just one reset is like $120, $150. So one reset or buy the course. Buy the course, no reset. Oh. So, yeah, check them out. Got some of the reviews going across there. There's links in the chat. And see how she goes. I'm pretty happy with that, though. I'm kind of just like sitting here, look at my P&L. You know, I know it's been a bit of a battle, right? I've been in a bit of a battle with the whole, people keep asking about the Top Step accounts. The reason that I'm trading with the Top Step accounts is so that I can get onto the leaderboard, right? I really want to get on the Top Step leaderboard. That's my plan, to get on the Top Step leaderboard. We had these 2 combines, took a little chop, but my goal is I want to grow these 5 XFA accounts up over $200,000, $300,000 in profit, and then get on top of the Top Step TV leaderboard, and then just retire. I'm just gonna bow out. I'm gonna just go and move off into the distance here. So the big focus right now is these express funded accounts. I want to grow those. We took an $18,000 payout on Friday over the weekend, so we're paying ourselves. We're up $18,000, and you know, we just got to keep grinding, keep growing it, keep trading the right setups, and keep it going. So, right, you know, rips selling rips or whatever you want to call him, he said that he would not accept my challenge. He did not want to accept my trading challenge. The only way he would accept it is if I paid him $2 million. So I don't know. I felt like $2 million was kind of expensive. So I thought, you know, what's better if I just trade on Top Step and then I get into the Top Step TV leaderboard, right? Get on top of the leaderboard. Ooh, buddy. And yes, they are 150K. So never ever you get first on the leaderboard. Well, you know, the good thing is I don't have, you know, all I gotta do is just do it. So I can sit here all day long and talk about how I'm gonna make 11,000% return and all that, or you know, I could just do it. So like I said, we took an $18,000 payout. You know, I mean, I thought that was pretty good for 6 days of trading, and now we can do it again. NASDAQ just pulling back here, 20,200s again, going really nowhere. So just trying to be patient. I don't want to live with that regret, man. That regret of taking a bad trade and then having to sit there and look at it the rest of the day. It's the worst. I don't know about you guys, but honestly, I fucking hate it. There is nothing worse than, like, you know, having that one good trade, making money in the morning, and then giving it back when it gets choppy. There ain't nothing worse than that. You know, I've been trading for a long time now, and I'll tell you, you know, it ain't fun. The whole idea here is you should be rewarding yourself when you have good trades. Make money, walk away, you know, feel good about it. You don't want to be making money in the morning and then trading the chop in the middle of the day and then, you know, walking away red, because then you got to sit there and think about it for the rest of the fucking day. So if you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, help me help you. It's free to subscribe. It's free to like. It's free. It's all free. Just hit the like button. Do it now. Do it now. Yeah, the price action during Power Hour has been absolutely terrible. I agree with you. Have you ever tried using bots for the overnight session? Not really. Never tried it. You guys see my Lambo? Everyone see the Lambo on the dyno on Instagram? If you don't follow me on Instagram, hit me up on Instagram at Patrick Wieland Inc. INC. Put up a little video of my Lamborghini on the dyno. They're getting ready to put some turbos on it. Twin turbos going on the Lambo. Oh, buddy, I'm gonna have the fastest Lamborghini on the day trading YouTube space. And just want to put this out there also. Michael Huddleston, ICT, says that he wants to race to the top of the Top Step leaderboard as well. So maybe we'll see him there. Maybe we won't. But guess what? I'm already on the board, baby. $18,000 payouts. What you got, Michael? Nothing. Nothing. How did it dyno? I think it had like what, 500 horsepower or whatever stock to the wheels. So yeah, the baseline was 564. But listen to this thing. People always like, I miss it, man. Oh, I miss it. I can't wait. I can't wait. Twin turbos are going to sound insane. They're going to sound absolutely insane with the new pipes and everything. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's going to sound insane. Absolutely going to be insane. Does ICT ever leave his house? You know, I honestly think ICT just sits in his fucking basement, like, and just, I don't know what he does down there. The dude is I mean, you gotta admit, he is a fucking psychopath. He's an he sits on fucking Twitter Spaces and just talks to himself. He just talks to himself for 4 hours. Like, that's fucking, it's like, it's borderline psychotic. You know, at least when I'm like on the live stream, I'm like talking to people on the chat and like trading and like doing stuff. But he's literally just sitting on Twitter, just talking to the phone for 4 hours straight. You know, like, that's fucking nuts. That's absolutely nuts. When you lose for that long, I mean, it's not even that about losing. It's about when you live in this world of just everything is you know, everything's a scam, right? Everything everybody else is doing is a scam. Like, he's over here posting about just like the most insane shit. Like this one he posted. He goes, I'm about to lay down for a bit. And I was just thinking, all of these people all around the world are talking like me, thinking like me, anticipating price like me, learning what I spent the entirety of my adult life building. The sheer number of you all is staggering. I think the weight of that has finally hit me. I mean, this is borderline psychotic at this point. It's borderline psychotic. I got an idea. I got an idea. We're gonna get a little Twitter troll here. Sitting here on my live stream, staring at the chat, I ponder to myself how amazing it is. All these people all around the world are talking like me, thinking like me, anticipating price like me, learning what I spent the entirety of my adult life building. The sheer number of all of you is staggering. Thank you. That's a good tweet right there. That is a good tweet. I need a little screenshot of my P&L to put up there as well, you know. Put the P&L up there on the chart. Oh, that was a good one. I'm like, I make myself laugh sometimes. NASDAQ trying to push back up here. The bulls, will they get this final push? Or not final push, but will they get the push through here now? Up there through the 230s now. Dallas loaded up short. Why did you load up short for? That was a bad idea. Dallas. Don't do that, Dallas. Don't do it, Dallas. Dallas, don't do it. Dallas loaded up short inside of a bull flag. Oh, Dallas. Ooh, you got to go buy the course right now. Go buy the Patrick Wieland course. We'll teach you how to not do that, okay? Yes, I can help you if you want me to. I can help you if you let me, but I can't help you if you don't let me help you. If you don't let me help you, I can't help you, Dallas. Oh, God. Why would you load up short anywhere on this chart right now? Why? Why, Dallas? Got to get through this 240 area strong, and then I think we go 20,300 to the upside there. What's the Dow doing? Need to see the YM here. Dow still going down. Clearly, Dallas, you're not watching the live stream. You loaded up short. At what point? At what point, looking at this chart, are you like, man, it's time to load up short? The VWAP's there. The 15-minute range is there. Everything was there, support-wise. Sweeps, bro. No, stop. Whatever. No, just stop. No sweeps. No nothing. Which chapter of the course will help us avoid the mistake? Literally chapter 1. Learning how to fucking understand the trend. Learning how to trade the trend. That will help you avoid exactly what Dallas did. Right now we're looking at the 2-minute chart here. 15-minute chart as well, bull flagging. I mean, come on. There is no reason to be loading up short anywhere on this chart right now. Don't be silly. Don't you be silly now. Market trying to move. After all that consolidation, do we get the breakout here? Do-do, 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 do-do. I can hear the waves breaking. I can hear the waves breaking, man. Calling my name. Market trying to break out of this bull flag here. Kind of need to hold up here. That you kind of hold up the 230s here. Is the course printable? It's videos, so I guess you could print my face out if you wanted. You could take a screenshot you know, and put it on your, and make a video book, a magazine with my face on it. I want to see this push above the 240s before we're getting long, just in case it wants to do this right here, chop it right back down. NASDAQ back down there, 210s again. ES looking weak right now over there. ES got denied more. NASDAQ just holding up here. Still at the VWAP, holding up. We're still above the VWAP here. ES looking real weak there at the 5,787s now. ES just holding up here. I'm just kind of watching here. Still at the bottom of this fucking flag. Or in the middle of this flag, kind of. Maybe get that VWAP touchdown there. Need that VWAP bounce, baby. Need that VWAP bounce. 19,200s again. Can we get that? Try to see if we get that reaction maybe off the VWAP down there. Would be nice. Down there, that 2,200 once again. They lose that 200 area, that 180 VWAP area would be pretty quick. Just sitting down there at the lows. What is that, like a triple, quadruple bottom here again? Losing that 200 support. Will it sell down VWAP next? Looks like it. There's the VWAP. Someone says, looks like the market going down after going up. I mean, I never really thought about it like that, but there has never been any truer words spoken. There have never been any truer words spoken than that right there about price action right now. Nobody has spoken truer words than that right there. Looks like the market went up, now it's going down. So what you're saying is that the market went up, now it's going down, so what should I do? Sitting here at the VWAP. At the VWAP. Market is holding up here at the VWAP for now. Holding up at the VWAP here. Hey, look. It's still hitting. The channel's still hitting, man. It's still hitting. Still hitting. All right. I think I'm going to be done for the day. I'm I'm be done for the day here. If I'm gonna, hey, it's what I'll do is I'll leave now, so that way the market goes up straight up from here for you guys. How much are you up, Patrick? Tell us, Patrick. Tell us, Patrick. Tell us. This is how much I'm up. 1,700 times 5. One of the Express accounts, 2,200. I don't know, something with the copier there, but it's pretty good, I think. I don't know. Like 8,500. Look at this rip now off the VWAP. Should have went long, I guess, off the VWAP. NASDAQ back up there above that 20,200 level. Five-minute chart trying to push it back up here. Right off the VWAP there for now. What would P. Diddy do? What would P. Diddy do right now? $1 million question. Probably go to the gym, work out, you know, go get your workout on. 6 o'clock in the morning here in Hawaii. 6 a.m. in Hawaii. Time to pump it up. You want to pump it up. You want to pump it up. Victoria's trading is going well. People are asking about how Victoria's trading. She did not wake up this morning. She, it's the mornings I've been told. I'm like, hey, wake up. You know, it's hard in Hawaii. It's hard to wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning and start trading. So I'm like, if you don't have to wake up early, then don't wake up early. You know, do what you got to do, girl. NASDAQ just sitting here at the VWAP now. The 1 hour chart wants to take out the view up, huh? That new 1 hour candle right here, staying above the VWAP for now, but that low down there, 178, and then the close from yesterday, 166 is down there. Market straight back down there through the VWAP again. Well, wowzers. Wowzers. The chop continues. Dun, 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 dun. All right, I think it's time to walk away. I'm over this. Right back down there to the close from yesterday now, that 166 is. We're getting to the middle of that 15-minute range right now as well. So if we flip the middle of this 15-minute range, so let's say we lose the middle of this 15-minute range now, well, I think there's a very good chance that we would then continue down. There's a pivot point down there at the 112, so just putting that out there. Scooby Curry's waiting to get short because of Nutty Bar. Uh-oh. You crazy son of a gun. YM, everything's breaking the downside right now. Nvidia also losing that pivot point there. So Nvidia losing the pivot point. Nvidia and the NASDAQ almost going tick for tick right now. If you want to trade the NASDAQ, just trade Nvidia here. Pull up the Nvidia chart and just trade that. NASDAQ once again right off of that just these annoying little rips back up, man. Nvidia still looking weak. So either way, it's been a good day. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, big thank you guys for tuning in. We'll be live tomorrow morning for Thirsty Thursdays back here on the stream. I'm gonna head to the gym, get my workout on, and well, I'll see you guys. I'll see you later on. See you tomorrow. See you whenever I see you. I'm gonna see you, baby. So there it is. Peace to the Middle East, my friends. I'll see you when I see you. Peace.